Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Origami, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a maze game. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is make a player and your maze. So let me just name this maze first. Now, when you made these two things, you go to player and make it move around. So you do when flag is clicked, forever, if key up is pressed, change Y by 10. And you duplicate this one time, and then you say when down arrow is pressed, change Y by -10. You duplicate this again, and this time you do when right arrow is pressed, change X by 10. You duplicate this one last time and say when left arrow is pressed, change X by -10. Now, if we test this, our sprite is moving. Now you see that our sprite just goes through the walls. So we need it to stay. We need it to stay when it touches a wall. So to do that, you just go to control, in the first if, you do if touching color black. So if touching color black, change Y by -10. Now you duplicate this one time, say if black arrow is pressed, if touching black color, change Y by 10, duplicate this again, and this time say if touching color black, change X by -10, so change X by -10. Now you duplicate this one last time and say, and remember to put this block in this if block. So now you're going to say if touching color black, change X by 10. Now if we test this works. Now there are some glitches in this, like there's just a gap, but I don't think there's a way to fix that. But that should work. Now we need a key or a way to go to the next level. So what we're gonna do is duplicate this level, name this key, and then just change the color. So I'm just going to make this yellow. So that's about right. That's good. Now place it wherever you want. So I'll place it there. Then you go to the key, delete this because you don't need this. Then make another, do when flag is clicked, forever, go to wherever the corners of your key is. So now if we just put this there, should go there. There you go. Now go to player again and make another drag another when flag is clicked block, and this time say when flag is clicked, forever, if touching key, if touching key, next switch next backdrop, and you remember the maze sprite we made? Just transfer that to backdrop and you can delete this. So, oops, that didn't go well. Let me just make it again. Okay, now when we have this, you can make another level, but I'm just going to do nothing, just change, or I'll just do nothing like that. So, and go to here and say when if key touching key, switch to next backdrop and wait 3 seconds, because if you don't do that, if this thing is touching this, like, let me just show you, if I remove that, it's going to do that. So if you just add this delay, it's going to do that, and it's going to wait 3 seconds, so it doesn't go mad or anything like that. So when that is done, that's pretty much it. Hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button, subscribe if you want more. Bye bye guys.